I'm gonna try the sweet heat beignet chicken sandwich right now from Tiana's Palace. So this is the beignet chicken sandwich. It's a sweet heat beignet chicken sandwich. This is something like they had before with the Mickey ear beignet. Look at it. It also comes with collard greens and pickles. Okay, this is definitely good. Pickle. Oh, it's like a sweet pickle. The greens. Not bad. Not my favorite, but yeah. The sandwich is like absolutely delicious. Second bite. Cheers. Yeah, this is delicious. It's a beignet, the chicken with the buffalo sauce, which it tastes like. The coleslaw, and then another beignet. I think the sweet and the savory with the like hit of buffalo sauce is so good. Anyway, I recommend this, Tiana's Palace.